Texture is one of the 7 elements of art. Understanding how to create the illusion of texture will lead to more realistic and representational drawings and paintings. In terms of art, texture refers to the way something feels to the touch or looks as it may feel if it were touched. Texture can be three-dimensional, which is physical, or texture can be two-dimensional, which is an illusion. Three-dimensional texture is texture that can be physically touched and felt. Two-dimensional texture is also called visual texture and is the illusion of how an object would feel if it could be physically touched. Visual texture is either simulated or invented. Simulated texture is meant to accurately simulate real-life texture. Invented texture consists of two-dimensional patterns of repeating lines and shapes. The key to creating the illusion of texture is through value. By adding highlights and shadows through tints and shades, the illusion of texture can be created in a drawing or painting. Here are a few texture exercises. Create a few rubbings with charcoal on newspaper using textures underneath the paper to create the rubbings. Next, look at those rubbings and create copy drawings from them using charcoal. Try to copy the rubbings as closely as possible. Grab a few paper bags and set them up in front of you, and draw from observation using graphite, trying to copy the realistic texture that you see.